Qualcomm's announcement of its next-generation smartphone chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, is expected to power the best Android phones launching next year. Asus has officially revealed a launch date for the highly anticipated ROG Phone 9 series, set to make its global debut on November 19, 2024. A hands-on video of the device has also leaked, revealing a more premium build and hinting at improvements in materials and design over its predecessor. The overall design language will remain similar to the ROG Phone 8, as well as the fact that it will be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite. Design-wise, the ROG Phone 9 series is expected to maintain its distinctive gamer-centric aesthetics, complete with LED lights on the back and a robust build. Asus has hinted at the continuation of AI features to enhance the gaming experience, a trend that has been gaining traction with newer mobile technologies. The ROG Phone 9 Pro features a 6.78-inch 165Hz LTPO Samsung E6 AMOLED display. The ROG Phone 9 that's already been confirmed is that the flagship's battery will feature 65W wired charging support. It has a triple rear setup with a 50MP sensor and a 32MP front camera for selfies. Gaming-specific features include responsive air trigger buttons, IP68 dust and water resistance, and a high-quality 5-magnet speaker system. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.